How do you measure success, particularly success when it comes to your trading and investments on Wall Street? Well, how do we measure success with other areas of our life? Would we expect a 7th grade football player to have the skills of an NFL player? Would we expect a gymnast who was at the first level to have the skills of an Olympic gymnast? The analogies go on and on. The reality is we would say, of course not. Well, as a beginning trader, should I expect to have the same results as a professional trader that's been doing this for years? I think most of us would say, well, no, that's not very reasonable. However, we would like to see progress. So instead of thinking about, am I making blank amount of money, some big number that you have in your mind, you say, all right, am I meeting my personal goals? Your personal goals might vary widely from one person to the next, so you don't need to compare yourself to somebody else. What you need to do is to say, am I making progress? Am I doing things the right way? Am I following the system? Am I seeing that I'm doing the right kinds of things at the right times? Do I have the 3 legs of the trading table in place? Am I willing to stop out when I see that a trade isn't going to work the way that I thought it was going to? Am I in a position to consistently make money over time? As you see this as a process and a journey, what you'll realize is I don't have to get to the destination today. It might take me months or even years to get there. But if I'm making progress along the way, it doesn't mean that I can't enjoy some of what I'm experiencing now, and I should celebrate and rejoice with the progress that I'm making.